Nobody reads docs? Think again. In 2025, documentation has become a relic of the past. Developers click, copy, and paste code at lightning speed, sometimes praying their snippets work. Old documentation is bloated and outdated, often crafted by those who never actually use their own tools. Welcome to Doc Hell, where the promise of exhaustive guides falls short of real-world expectations. Picture a developer facing an elusive error. Instead of scouring endless paragraphs, they prefer lightning searches, quickly retrieving a GitHub issue or the highest voted Stack Overflow answer. In an era defined by speed and efficiency, traditional docs have transformed into optional reading. It's not that devs despise documentation. They despise bad documentation that wastes precious time. Even official documents are trapped in a maze of abstraction, over-verbosity, and marketing fluff. Developers yearn for clear examples and ready-to-run code snippets. Research shows that with AI tools like GitHub Copilot, coding tasks are completed nearly 56% faster, yet effective documentation remains rare. As Copilot and ChatGPT reshape coding, developers receive concise commands rather than lengthy text. They focus on what works and discard the rest. As Jeremy Howard once noted, Codex may be just close enough, but real mastery demands understanding. However, the trap is set. Quick fixes without depth can leave you trapped in bugs you never anticipated. Without proper documentation, you become a code operator rather than an empowered developer. True professionals skim, then dive deep when facing challenges. They know that clarity in documentation is not just helpful, it's essential when code fails. Imagine a world where every line of documentation teaches you in under 5 seconds, where every snippet works on the first try. That's the future we're racing toward. Documentation is not dead, it just needs to evolve with us. We're urging you, the modern coder, to demand succinct, powerful, and efficient docs that keep pace with rapid innovation. Every developer has faced the frustration of a convoluted README or a baffling API guide. Remember, effective documentation is gold when the code breaks. Comment if you've ever rage quit a readme or fixed a bug by finally reading the docs. Stand up for clarity and make your voice heard. Because when the unexpected happens, good docs aren't just helpful, they're lifesavers. Demand better docs. Demand a future where clarity empowers every keystroke. Embrace change. Innovate relentlessly and code with conviction. Your voice transforms the coding landscape now.